So here we are back with the Fattie F-14. I had one flight on this, the maiden flight, which was amazingly successful. I was really surprised, considering the shape of it and the big prop on the back. And the main thing being the prop on the back, not a lot of clearance to the ground, so I didn't touch the elevator and it just took off by itself. Maintained quite a lot of throttle during the flight and it flew really nicely. Some nice passes for Bob on the camera, who's been kind enough to film me today. Got his own YouTube channel and we'll have the link for that in the video description and pinned comments as well. You should subscribe to his channel. He does a lot of work for this local club. So we're going to fly this for the second time, see if I can fly it better and give Bob some nice flybys. Alright Bob, you ready?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one more downwind pass and then I'll do a gear pass, Bob.
Okay, doke. That was nearly a downwind landing.
Alright. Bit of a rough one. I think I've taken one of the gear off.
Oh dear.
So I've taken one of the main gear off. both the gear doors, which I know I can pop back on quite easily. The prop's still okay though, so a relatively simple fix, I think, and it'll be flying again. But enjoyed that. Some nice low passes and a nice low, almost a landing, Bob. Getting a bit dangerous there. Okay, so thanks for watching this. Thanks to Bob on the camera. Look up in the link for this in the video description and pinned comment, and we'll be back soon with some more Essential RC. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bit of a rough one.